how to generate sales on demand. Hi everyone, Adwin here. Now today I'm going to talk about the part 4 of the sales acceleration formula, which is demand generation. In demand generations, we talk about the most important part, which is the marketing. How do you market out your product or service? So in particular to inbound marketing, we talk about the in-house content production team. So do you have like a team of people to help you to produce content on a regular basis in terms of content like articles that's written about your business, your background, how this business come about, and the latest informations that you can provide to your client. Video production, can you interview someone that is from the sales team, from the marketing team, or even from the management team? They could talk about some of the experience they would like to share, some of the successes that the client have. And also doing a podcast, you can always convert most of the videos that's being produced into a podcast and share it with your client. So with a consistent content production, you can emails to a client on the different types of information or the value add content to your customer. And at the same time, inbound marketing can also consist of social media engagement, where you have your own blog. You can publish it onto your blog, your Facebook page, your LinkedIn page, or your Twitter. All this in terms keep the customer knowing that you're in business, and at the same time you have a lot of value to provide to the marketplace. For inbound marketing, all this content strategy you need to think of, like how to produce a content, when to produce it. So for myself, I will produce content like good enough for 30 days, and then we will just slowly distribute out to all the different channels. I have VAs that does the content distributions for me, and you could also start small, hire a person that do the social media distributions for you, and craft the message. What message do you want the potential client to see, and what is their profile? So make sure that all this is being tied back to the previous 3 formulas, which is the sales hiring formula, the sales training, the sales management, and the growth, which is generation of the demand of your service or product. And also in terms of marketing wise, you could also do outbound marketing, which is hiring a PR firm, but that will cost you more money. I hope this video series is useful to you. So if you like this video, do share, subscribe, and like, and I'll see you in the next video.